Hey guys, if you're trying to install Google Chrome on your computer but it just won't install, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing you need to do is delete your temporary files on your computer by heading to the Start menu, and you want to search for Run and then select this Run icon. Inside of here you want to type in %temp and hit enter. Then what we can do is select everything inside of this folder by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard, and then we just want to right click and select the trash icon to delete it. Don't worry about deleting these files, as they're just temporary files and they're regenerated every single time you load an application, but sometimes these files can cause conflict issues and prevent Google Chrome from installing. The next thing you want to do is come back to your Start menu and search for Settings. Tap on the Settings icon, then scroll all the way down to where it says Windows Update, and you want to press this Check for Updates button and make sure that you're running the latest version of Windows, as again, outdated software can also cause installation issues with Google Chrome. Once we're fully up to date, we can close out of this window and come back to the Start menu, and you want to search for CMD. Then right click on this command prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. Inside of here you want to type in sfc/scan now and hit enter. And what this is going to do is it's going to scan your system files for any corrupt or missing files, and it's just going to go ahead and repair them for you. Wait for the verification process to get to 100%, as this can take a few minutes to complete. Once we've done that, we need to come back to the Start menu and search for Run again. Tap on the Run icon, and this time we're going to type in services.msc and hit enter. Now we need to make sure a really important part of Windows is running, called Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So scroll down the list and find it from the items. As you can see here are mine, Background Intelligence Transfer Service, and we want to right click and come into Properties. Then make sure the startup type is set to Automatic or Automatic Delayed Start, and you want to make sure the service status is set to Running. So you can see here that mine's not running at the moment, so you just need to press this Start button, and then we can go ahead and press OK. And then the last thing we can do is come back to your Start menu, and this time we're going to search for Programs. Select Add or Remove Programs, and you need to come to this search box up here and type Chrome. And if Google Chrome is showing here, hit these three little dots and hit Uninstall. If you can't see Chrome here, then don't worry, just move on to the next step. And the next thing we're going to do is come to the Start menu and search for CMD. Then right click on Command Prompt to make sure to run as administrator, and inside of this window we're going to manually install Google Chrome by typing in win-get install google.chrome, and then you can hit enter. As you can see, I already have Google Chrome installed, but for you just need to follow the steps on screen to manually install Google Chrome using the command prompt. Now hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed your installation problems. But if you still are experiencing problems with Google Chrome, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.